Hi guys, my name is Vignesh. I'm doing my engineering. I'm currently doing my third year, Dayanand Saga, Bangalore. I had plans of doing my MS in US or Canada, and I wanted to prepare for GRE. And I heard a lot of places where I can get a proper tutoring for GRE. And Princeton Review is one of the site which was more suited to my needs. I didn't want the GRE tutoring to be against many other activities of mine. So Princeton Review offered me a vacation batch where the whole course gets completed in about 1.5 months. It's about 3 hour batch. My verbal teacher was Dolly Sharma, who took the class very well. It was a 3 hour class, but then you never know how the time flies in her class. She's very encouraging, and the way she teaches, it's not just like a teaching experience, it's a complete learning. The class was very interactive, and the words, what all you need to learn, all the material, whatever they gave, it's quite a lot. And these materials are sufficient for you to score or secure a good marks in your GRE test. And once it comes to mathematics or quants, Asha Rao was my teacher. And generally, math, what everyone thinks is that it's just mathematics, what all you know. Well, it is what all you know, but the way you have to solve is different. The formulas you use are the formulas you know, but then in GRE it's about time, and in order to solve it fast, Princeton Review gives you a good method in which you can solve the sums faster, and the logic and the brush up of everything whatever you do, it's a complete package. And even there are a lot of materials what they provide so that you go back home and brush up whatever you have done. So everyday class you go home, brush up with number of drills whatever is there on the online portal which is provided by them. And once the course gets over, once you have a month break before your GRE, there are a number of drills and core tests where you can which you can take and see how your preparations are going on, the marks whatever you score. The core test, it's basically similar to the one what your actual GRE test is, where you sit for 4 hours and do it. Well, a complete briefing of how you have to take it, the basic right from scratch paper to everything is taught by Princeton Review. I'm pretty satisfied with Princeton, and I am proudly recommended to everyone. Thank you.